Hello guys, back at it again with another ScrawlrBox episode and this voiceover. So we're just gonna start trying to blend these art crayons using watercolor. And so that's gonna be, I'm not sure what kind of effect it's going to make. Probably a really, really cool one, or what colors it's going to make, but we'll see. So as I applied the watercolor, I'm starting to notice that it makes sort of this mucky brown color. I'm not really a huge fan of that, so I don't think I'll use it when I draw the actual character. I'm not a really big fan of that sort of blend with the watercolor. So now I'm just going to try it again, this time with the finger smudging, to see if it creates sort of a different color. I don't think it's going to make a different color, but we'll see if it works. So I'm just smudging that, and I'm looking that no, it does not make a different color. More of that mucky brown color that I don't like, so we're not going to use that, I don't think so. Just adding some watercolor to see if it changes, and it doesn't. I don't really like that. Now I'm picking up the pencil, and I'm going to start drawing a character to use these art crayons on. So I'm just drawing the head. Then we're going to draw the neck, and then like the shoulders and the torso area of the body. I'm just going to draw in this cartoon kind of style. I'm not really used to watercolor. That's not really my, art thing or whatever they call it. So I'm just going to start sketching with pencil, and then we're just going to see where this takes me and what colors that we're going to use. Now, as for the hairstyle, I think I want to make it a girl. So I'm just drawing some long braids. I don't know what color they're going to be. I don't know what colors I'm going to use. I'm just going to use whatever I feel is appropriate and what I think is cute. So I'm just sketching out the little ends of the ponytails, then the top of the head. Now I'm drawing the little cartoony little face with the ovalish eyes, the button nose, some eyebrows, and a smile. So now I'm just going to get started with the skin tone, which I'm going to use pink for. I want it to be like a real cartoon. I don't want it to be realistic, so I'm just using the pink for the skin tone, and maybe the purple for the hair, and maybe the yellow for like the shirt. I think that's what I'm going to use. I don't know yet, but pink is definitely the skin tone as I've already applied it here. So now I'm just, picking up the purple, and I'm using it for her hair, as I want her hair to be sort of like a dark tone, and purple was the darkest tone of the art crayons. So I'm just applying that to her hair and braid pencil sketches. And the pencil kind of blends easily with this, so I think it won't show up that much. And then I'm just watercoloring that to give it like a nice effect. I'm sort of going out of the lines here. That was on purpose because I wanted to, make it like really watercolory, blendy, that kind of thing. And so now I'm just working on the shirt, which finally is yellow. I don't want to leave it just yellow, I don't think, because that's a little bit boring, I might add some sort of design to the shirt. I don't know which yet, but, well, just plain yellow is just, it's boring. And, I want my character to be sort of fun, so I'm just blending that out. Now I figured out my design, so I'm adding a little bit of pink to the shirt. Then I'm dipping the brush in the water, and then I'm making a tie-dye effect from pink to the orange color to then the yellow, because pink plus yellow equals this sort of dark orange, this tiger orange. So I'm making sort of like this tie-dye. And I'm sorry, fans, but I think that's where we're going to end the video. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye!